Hi guys, Monday today. I have my powerful lights with me closer. Yeah, this is really powerful. Anyway, good morning. It's Monday and I just want to organize things in the house. Yeah, that's all we're gonna do today. Just organizing all this stuff. I did not put my shopping away yesterday as Sunday because normally just allowing myself to not doing anything, you know, like being lazy. I woke up late. I always stay in bed a little bit longer if I have nothing to do the next day. What I'm talking about, stay-at-home mom never have a day off. We constantly doing things, keep the house nice and tidy, although not every day, but at least try to make a presentable home. So rare for me that I have to sit down and doing nothing, because let's be real, you have demanding family that always asking you for a favor. So here's our organization. That's that. The next one, we need to organize this. Sometimes when you change your bag so often, like different bag, and sometimes it's get messy. This is my favorite bag nowadays. I got so many bags and then I keep reaching for this one. Maybe because I can fit everything in it, even though if I'm out about in the village and then I forgot to take my grocery shopping bag, I'll just put it here. It's becoming my bag and then grocery bag. And the fact that it's so tiny, it's fit a lot. So normally I'll take this one inside my bag because this is massive for grocery bag, anything, shopping bag. So yeah, I just want to organize. So I got this white flower and this is the mini tripod for my mobile. It's handy. And this one is rhubarb custard candy, just randomly bought that in Mark Spencer. This one is none left. I'm gonna throw that away. This one, my hand lotion from Chanel. I'm not quite sure it's anything good result. I don't know, because I think my hand is pretty much okay. I got Benny hand though. I got so many beans. You know, I'm 48. It's aging. And then I have the Chanel mirror. You don't need a Chanel mirror, guys. This is just like when you're out with your friends and then you get influenced. I need to get that one too. You know, like copycat. I like it. And the mirror itself is really good. I bought this one in Philippines and I wish they have it in this country. This is like wipes. It's handy when you are toileting in a public toilets, you know. I have this Revlon lip balm, and because I have allergy, summertime, hay fever, I just love to inhale this one. This is really nice. I need to buy another one actually. Tissue. I like to put it in one separate bag so it's not cluttered too much in the compartment, or because it's only one compartment bag. This one can fit a lot as well, by the way. This is amazing bag. So we just put it there. Also, I'm planning to put a hole in this one so I can put a strap in it. So that's the, I normally just leave it open, this one, because you know the time you press over, there's a zip anyway, so I just leave it like that for AC access. This is not what's in my bag, guys. I just want to organize today's vlog. My wallet, this one, I need to wash my hair anyway, so right, bag organized. For the next one, we have to repel this one. I don't use this one. My husband and my son and my daughter. It's so tired speaking English, guys. Can you just let me talk whatever comes out of my mouth? I have subscriber commenting on one of my vlog that I should speak more English. It's not a bad idea. I think for me, it's encouraged me to learn, speak better English actually. I feel like I'm too tired. I'm tired because like, I have to think about what's the next word and what's... Isn't that crazy? And if I see it right, if my grammar is right, like... If you're doing YouTube, just be you. To be a natural YouTuber. Napagod na ako guys, magtagalog na ako. So this is another thing guys, never ending, right? It's never ending. So let's get cracking. So I'm going to make myself presentable. I don't know what to do. Maybe I'm gonna make a video. What's in my bag? I'm not quite sure yet, but there's no plan. Sink is empty and I'm going to cook dried fish or tuyo. Apparently the trick of cooking dried fish without making your house smell like a dry fish, you have to heat up the pan like really hot oil and then run on the back door. I have an outdoor stove, but I ran out of, those disposable gas. So I need to get some more. I got the fish ready. So here we go. Okay, make sure that it's ready. Oh my God. Yeah, it's hot. Okay, run to the back. Anything for craving, eh? My God. And I hope my neighbor is not going to complain about the smell. Let's cook banana plantain. I know it looks horrible, right? Trust me, this is a perfect right banana plantain. Ipa-fry ko lang siya guys. Simple lang. Pero yung iba nito, ano ko siya, ipochero or sinigang. I use this oil and then I put this margarine. Then I just slice the banana plantain. Something like this. Easy. This is good for snacking or, even the dried fish that I fried is really good pairing as well. So I'll just fry that one until golden brown, and then I'm gonna have this one while I'm watching TikTok and YouTube. Alam nyo guys, matagal ko nang yung shower na powerful. Kasi yung dati naming shower, yung papisik-pisik lang, yung ganun lang ang tunog. A woman with really take care. Tagal kong mag-shower kasi nga, I need to wash my hair thoroughly. Matagal pa rin naman ako mag-shower. Lalo na ngayon yung shower namin. Parang ayaw ko nang lumabas ng shower. I enjoy my shower. I'm a shower gal. I'm not a bath person. Two things I asked. Exhaust fan, which is I have, and then a powerful shower. I'm using this Beno Perfect Brightening Serum from Caudalie. I like it kasi nag-absorb siya guys I like a product that absorbs your skin, not lying on top of your skin. Don't ask me for skincare because I'm not the best of skincare. Hence, that's why I have my pigmentation, because I did not really look after my skin when I was 45 or, no, 40. I don't wear sunscreen. I don't wear nothing. As long as I shower, wash my face. I don't even know how to use creams. Ayoko yung pakiramdam na, yung malagkit. Napakasimple ko lang talaga. Ngayon lang ako naging maarte na tumanda ako kasi nga, yung rason, yung pigmentation ko, lumala siya. Pero ngayon, I've noticed the difference na naglighten siya a little bit. I mean, nagfade talaga siya. By the way, this is Caudalie as well. Ubos na siya. Nagustuhan ko lang siya kasi nga, yun nga yung absorption ng product. I discovered this CeraVe SPF 50. Nakatatlong bottle na ako. Hindi pa ubos lahat. Nag-ano lang ako, nag-hoard. As soon as you spread this one on your face and then once it's spread, it absorb your skin. Yeah, ganito lang ko mag-ano. Simple lang. Ayoko yung maraming nilalagay ng mukha. Yung nakikita ko sa YouTube ba, yung, my God, 6 product ba yung nilagay nila? How can a product absorb your skin when you put too much? I don't get it. Tingnan nyo guys. Wala talagang white cast once na spread nyo yung product. That's it. After shower, ito yung nilalagay ko sa katawan ko. I've been using this one for 2 decades now. I don't have stretch mark, nothing. And then I receive compliments nung umuwi ako sa Pinas. Maganda daw yung kutis ko, mapino. Sabi niya, Mom, ang kinis ng balat niyo. Tapos hindi pala ako nagbo-blow dry, guys. I just let it dry. This is what I use. Air dry cream from GBN. Anyway, I'm interested in buying the Osmo, vlogging Osmo camera thingy. It's over 400 pound, but wala pa tayong kita sa YouTube. Pag kumita na yung YouTube natin, mukha lang akong maluho guys, pero hindi talaga. I'm going to the shop because I need to buy a condolence card. One of my husband friend just died. Kung na kayo dadalhin sa supermarket kasi lagi na lang tayo doon. Maboard na kayo. Ito yung bag natin today guys. Kasi sa village lang naman tayo pupunta. Ah, this is my husband's favorite, Earl Grey.
No.